Hey everybody, welcome to this tutorial. This is the following tutorial for the one in description, where we already did a map command. Let me show you guys. In this tutorial, it's going to be a simple one where we do the news command. It's not yet there, but you can remember this map command. We'll be getting back to this command later on. So, first of all, I haven't figured out this yet, so we'll do this later. What we're gonna do is we're gonna create a new slash command. So we're gonna call it news.json. We're gonna name news. And for the moment, we're gonna go here to the docs. I'm gonna be using fortniteapi.com for the moment. So news. We're gonna go and select create a menu to select either BR, save the world, or creative. So what we're gonna do right now, so you can add a description, if I can write correctly, get Fortnite news, and we're gonna add the options, which is an array. So first one, it's gonna be named. It's gonna be called game mode. Oh, you need to do the name. Sorry, name game mode. Description. What game mode do you want? And we're gonna add the choices. Forgot to add the comma here. Choices, which are first one, we've got name, which is BR, value. So here it's going to be used for the end part. So it's going to be BR. I'm just going to add here battle royale. I'm going to add a second one, which is going to be name, save the world. First creative, we're going to put them in order. Sorry. So creative value is creative, it's creative. Okay, so we're gonna add value creative, and last of those, we're gonna add save the world with name. Just gonna put my status right there so we don't get disturbed. So name is save the world, value save the world. Okay, so let's check. We just need to add here parameter. It's required. We're gonna require it, so we don't have to manage non-response. We could do it. We'll do it later on, but for the moment, prefer for you guys, for it to be clear, to do it like this. So right here, we're gonna do const news slash require slash JSON news, and we're gonna do a client application dot commands dot create new slash There you go. We're gonna relaunch. So here, type. So we need to add here. You need to add type string for it to work. Normally it should be good. Okay, so I'll just be commenting this so we don't get too many slash commands, and we're gonna relaunch with this program. So as I told you last time, it's for it to to be up to date. So I'm gonna re-add the bot like we did last time. While we do that, I'm just gonna add here a add a custom status to the bot. Okay, so on my part, I just want to add a simple way to say that it's listening to you guys. So I'm gonna add. You can go and look here. We're gonna go to the Discord JS docs for me to show you. Discord JS. Set activity. So here, we're gonna go copy this. There. It's a presence. We can add here. It's okay. No. Let's check this at least. And we're gonna replace with Fortnite Api. You can adjust this. This is really a way to be personal. You can you see there playing with Fortnite APIs. You won't get the same text as me since my Discord is in French, but this is the point. So we're just gonna be re-adding the bot like we did last time. Going to Discord devs. Going to not this one. Fortnite API tutorials. I didn't want to do that. Go here. There. Don't forget to add back the application.commands applications commands here. So I'm going to be adding it back. This is just for the slash command to be let's say easier for us to appear. So you see right now it now appears with news. So here are the choices. Okay, what we're gonna do, you can see here, still have the problem like we used to because we're not managing it. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to this part. If interaction is command, and we're gonna do else if interaction dot command name equals news, and now we can manage it. So we're gonna be using the option. So const game mode equal await interaction options get string of game mode. So I'm not going to get in detail. You can look in the docs of Discord.js, but this is to get the value of the options we set right there. So you can see console.log game mode. You're going to see now when we do the command, and as you can see here, the game mode is required. Can't send it without. So here we get save the role. Okay, so we're now going to do a get request again. Const rec equal await Axios method equal get URL. You're gonna add those type of parentheses. This is to get values like this in it. So you're gonna go in here, and you're gonna copy this whole. You're gonna copy this one, add it here, and we're gonna add a little slash. And now you're gonna add the game mode. There you go. You can also add URL. I'll do it encode URI here, but it's not obligated. Okay, I won't be using it to a simple value. And now we're gonna be catching the error in case there's an error. We never know, as we did last time. So I'm gonna copy what we did right there. It's quite simple for the moment. Where later on, so I'm planning to do multiple tutorials about at least to say 10 episodes. So next time I'm not entirely sure of being able to make a tutorial since I'm on vacation and I'm not sure of having Wi-Fi, but I'll tell you. So as I just said, so I'm planning on doing in the next video handler for those interactions, so we don't have to add else if each time. After that, we'll be doing a stat command, then a first launch for those who are new to this and want to be able to, let's say, launch the bot directly. After that, we'll be doing a shop command in episode 4. Then item command in episode 5. Starting that, we'll be doing in episode 6, 7, and 8. We'll be creating custom designs. In episodes 9, 10, and maybe even more, we'll start to create functions such as a wait for a new shop, and when there's a new shop, it sends it. Those types of things. Then we'll do I think we'll do a bonus episode to post to add the Twitter post for the functions. After that, there's many other tutorials planned, such as using a database for slash command for commands such as users to give themselves things. We're not going to be using interactions highly sophisticated. We'll just try and create interaction with the others. So let's get back on. So now you can do rec.data here, and we'll be console logging the rec here. So we're gonna start off with the news for Battle Royale here. So what error do we get? So here the error is that I haven't put let. So this is a simple error I made. It's in GS. With const, you can't modify your pre-registered. You can add values that aren't registered, but you can't add if it's already registered. So I'm just changing it to let. So game mode, Battle Royale here, and so here you're gonna see. I'm gonna use Postman for you guys to see correctly. So here we get the status normal, and you get this image. So this image is a GIF they make for news. We are going to be creating ours later on in the creating custom designs, but for the moment we're going to be using this. And you can also look in detail with I'm going to add here HTTP request, this URL, go BR. And as you can see, there's the data for creating your own thing, such as the images, the tile image. It wants to charge, and we'll be getting there back later. But for the moment, we're gonna use this GIF. Okay. So it's as simple as last time. We're gonna take. It's gonna be way more effort to add this. We're gonna remove the console log rec, and we're gonna see Fortnite news 4. You're gonna get a space here, and you're gonna add a plus game mode to uppercase. There. So this makes it to uppercase. It's simpler for us. Here, okay, and here we're gonna do rec.data.image, just image. Set footer, we won't change that. Respawn it to map news/command, and we're gonna be relaunching the bot to see. And as you can see, with Battle Royale, for example, we get this message. It's very simple, as I told you, and we get a command in the console log here. So we got the news command. You can test on others, on creative. So there's an error. What we get as error? Request failed with status 400. So let's check. It's this is a error at the moment. It's not normal for this error to appear, so I'm gonna be reporting it to API. Normally, when you do this, it'll be okay. But when you do this, it's gonna be okay. I hope it's gonna be fixed until then. So let's just check. I'm just gonna check in case we need to add the language parameter for it to work. No, it's not working. So here, they do not exist. So finally, just gonna check with the news, save the world. I don't think there's some. So here, if it doesn't load, it's that there's no thing. Okay, so we're good for this. Thank you guys for following this video. I'll be making videos each Friday normally. In next video, as I told you guys, we'll be doing the handler plus the stats command. We'll also get in preparing different things for functions. I hope this video was successful in helping you guys. If you have any ideas or have any problems, don't hesitate to put your questions in the description or on my Discord server in the description as well, in the comments, sorry for that. And for the moment, if you need to customize, you can do it as you want. I've done it like this, but it's not obligated. I'll see you guys in the next video.